Hello, good afternoon Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kusnul Asyaifah in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is Hotman Paris personal assistant incident in the Bandar Lampung. Hotman Paris personal assistant Putri Maya Rumanti, she said was fined after motorbike hit the car. It was taken to the Bandar Lampung Hospital. Putri Maya Rumianti, Hotman Paris personal assistant, had an accident in the flyover in the Sultan Agung route, Bandar Lampung. Her car was hit by a motorbike, so the motorbike was under the car. Hotman Paris personal assistant Putri Mayanti was afraid in the condition of the motorcyclist who hit her daughter in the accident in the Bandar Lampung. Now, Putri Maya Rumiati said she was fine. Putri recounted the moment after the traffic incident to the PGRD Lanes Highway Police Traffic Directorate. Member of the Lampung Police of the Adjutant Police Hari Ramadan immediately stopped, considering that the time PGR member passed by the scan of the case. So before the incident, the risk traffic jam or the Indian flyover on the Sultan Agung to Ria Kudu all the suddenly stopped. But from behind was stepping motorbike, and from their mirror it also looks like one to overtake another motorbike. But it was motorbike under the overtake to either view to left them and end up to crashing into the side of Hotman Paris personal assistant car. As a result, the car Putri was driving broke left, the motorbike was braked. Hotman Paris personal assistant Putri Maya Rumianti was shocked by the car was hit by the motorbike on the Sultan Agung Bandar Lampung. The next news is Sud Lampung Police seizes 9 teenagers throwing palala and damri passos on the Lampung Toll route. The Sud Lampung Police have success in the effort carrying the sash throwing a pass. The incurred on the Bangkok Trans Sumatra Toll route or the 68 plus 6000A, Serdang Village, Tanjung Bintang District, Sud Lampung. The case of the bus throwing occurred on the Thursday at around 4 p.m. on the Bangkok Trans Sumatra Toll route 16F km 6000A, Serdang Village, Tanjung Bintang District, Sud Lampung. And the rank of the Sud Police managed to apprehend 9 perpetrators were almost sudden because they're throwing about the Trans Sumatra Toll route GGT Asim, kilometers 90 for the Serdang Village, Tanjung Bintang District, Sud Lampung. This was confirmed by the Sud Lampung Police Chief Adjutant Commissioner Police Edwin when he was a press release relieving cases of throwing bags on the toll route. Edwin said that the throwing the bus based on report from the LP/B/2022 on the Thursday. Edwin explained, there were 9 people involved in the throwing the bus at GTTS. Edwin said the children threw the stone at the bus where agents toll route area, then terrorists streamed together. Edwin said the minors had been taken and secured to Lampung Regional Police for further examination. The next news is mother and child is neck deep. The robbery took place in the East Aceh. The victims were mother and the child, namely Darmawati, 42 years old, and her son, Siti Nurziana, 20 years old, a resident of Gampong Tok Blanc village, Julok district, East Aceh. The head of the Simpang Ulim Police, Inspector Police Samsudin Bahri, he confirmed the incident occurred on the Banda Aceh to Medan National Road, precisely in the rice field area of the Gampong Blanc, Simpang Ulim district, East Aceh on a Friday. According to the police staff, based on information from the victim, at the time, the two victims had just turned from the Tangkop Tabu Aceh Uris to the third house. They rode the Honda Vario to the day motorbike, where the passing and the scan of the incident in a very quiet rice-flooded area at the time. From the same direction to the people apprentice reading over the Honda Vario without the license plate. Sadly, wherever the motorbike, wherever the victim back saw other than the child due to being kicked by the perpetrators. The perpetrators made it to size and victim bag containing 1 billion Oppo point, ID card, and automatic teller machine and made it to the escape. Local residents who saw incident in the crime of the violent trip immediately contacted the Simpang Ulim police personnel and took the two victims to the Simpang Ulim Health Center. From this incident, Inspector Police Samsudin Bahri appealed to the mothers of motorbike riders to the store back riding in the valuable state the motorcycle seat. This is avoided motorcycle robberies because the sex offenders, especially women, become easy to target for the robbery on the highway. Female readers must note to the 5 motorized robberies, one of which is placing a bag containing a value under the motorcycle seat. To the bag is not carried on the shoulder, because the bag is the pallet and travel will be directly lost control. The cause of the incident is not only because of unruly traffic, but criminal acts of the crime can also the trigger incident. The next news is glass base in Tekorejo village, Ogan Komering Ulu is siege. Residents were shocked by the sudden appearance of gas bursts of the Tekorejo village hall in Sebuai Madang district is Rakuri Kansi on the Friday. The gas burst started when she was drilling workers with the cabin pipe and replaced with the parallel pipe. Then water came to the mud floor by the burst of the gas. There are 8 pipes on the have been delivered with a 3 meters per pipe and 40 pipes. The reservoir is still inside and the diameter of the pipe is still 40 inches. The 3 workers who drilling were Wasudrajat, 40 years old, Dede Sunadar, 27 years old, and Jami, 27 years old. All the 3 residents of the Candipuro district, Sud Lampung. Then continue police have the as Oku in the request assistant PGM Belitan Season 4 Lampung area to check the count gas burst to check the gas burst using a detector. Based on checking using a detector, that the burst of gas originating from the natural gas is dangerous, result in the low oxygen levels around the location and it can make a people faint, a poisoned, and can be a source of the fire or explosion. His party explained the staff in distance in the wrong location after the gas blast who will around 25 meters Furthermore, VGN will be make a report to the continued follow-up and also apply to the resident not to panic, not to approach the location, not only make a cross out of the grizzly and not only light fire on the sigla around the location. Actually, the drilling of the drilling well is the plan to use the clean water in the Tokorejo village. It will drilling activity have been crying after 6 days starting on the Sunday. It will drilling activity have been crying out for the 6 days starting on the Sunday, July 31, 2022. The next news is 2 days of high intensity rain in the Sambas. Rain with high intensity flooded Sambas Regency in West Kalimantan for 2 consecutive days, closing part of the water. Bottle of the water can be seen a number of the route disturbing motorbikes as well as residential. It is area which was also flooded due to heavy rains. One of the locations that is hit flooded due to high rainfall hit a number of the stand battle in Sukaramai Hamlet dalam Kaum village. A number of the region Sambas Regency were also flooded due to heavy rains and the last day. Residents in the Sambas Regency report that the flooding occurred in several routes and resident area. One of them is Zaga, a resident of the Sukaramai Hamlet in the Dalam Kaum village in the Sambas district, Sambas Regency. He said that the included condition had spread to the number settlers in Sukaramai Hamlet. The conditions, he said, was caused by the rain that continued to fall today. Flood in number of houses of residents in the Sabangkau village, Sambas district, Sambas Regency, apart from the Dalam Palu flooding also occurred in Semandangau, Sambanga district on the Friday, 5 August 2022. According to the Pontianak Tribune's observation to the flood submerged dozens of the resident house tree. So far, there has been no confirmation of the report from the Regional Disaster Management Agency regarding the number of the house affected. Until this news was relevant by the Pontianak Tribune, it continued to try it upon to confirm local Regional Disaster Management Agency. The next news is Semarang City breaks LIPRI 2022 record. The Semarang City government distributed 40,577 red and white cash for the 1,577 Apple participants in the context of opening a series of activities in 2020 Indonesian Independence Day. The distribution of the red and white cash was carried out after a pulse activity enjoying gymnastics which is held along in the Pemuda route on the Friday. This red-white cake distributor moved to the success in the breaking the 2022 LIPRI record. The work from the breaking LIPRI record was handed over by Kay President of the LIPRI Paulus Pangka to the Mayor of Semarang Hendra Liprihada and Deputy Mayor of the Semarang Hevrita Gunarati Rahayu, Handi, as he is known. He said the award there was a bonus is being shown by the all participants in celebration of the 77 in Republic of Indonesia anniversary. According to the hymn, The main goal is the Semarang city government to serve real to community was left out to calm and for people living in Semarang. With a good service, other things will come, including work, which is a part this bonus and hard working to bring service to the community. In Communication of Republic Indonesia, Hadi explained that the independence achieved by the protesters was until as a battle. Students in the Malino participant in the walking competition. Ahead of the 77th anniversary of the Republic of Indonesia, a student walking competition was held to inflame in 2022 Independence Day. This activity was first event. The last time is crying out was before in division of the Malinau sub-district in the 2022 or the 20 years ago. The head of the Malinau sub-district, Muhammad Yusuf, explained the inaugural activity was about the request of the people of Malinau. According to him, the activity was used to be routinely held to welcome Biko Independence Day. The Republic of Indonesia will reverb the request of community. According to Tribun Cultura.com, monitoring to the people of the Kalimalau city crowded along the route internal walking competition in Malinau city. Activity in order in life. The 77th anniversary in the Republic of Indonesia. The implementation of this activity is granted by the Malinau City Sub-District. The starting point for the storm in the Duyang toward and the Pandambayang route ends to the ensuing route Malinau City District. The announcement of the campaign is the title schedule after charging process. It is planned after the carnival on the Agustus 2022. Well, I think those are the news for today with me, Kusnul Ashaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.